As the University of the West Indies enters this 75 years of magnificent, impactful service to the people of the Caribbean and the world beyond, it has every good reason to be proud of its contribution.
I see my role in the humanities as helping to understand the intersections of cultures, the crossroads of civilizations, where we can have a dialogue about priorities that are common to all of us, as well as those that are distinct. So yes, we are at the crossroads of the imagination. A conversation about politics and about power, but it is also about how we as individuals construct our identities. And one of the features of slavery is that it denies you access to your own ancestry.